Hi guys, I'm Suzanne with Backyard University, here to answer all your backyard questions. If you like our content, check out some of our other videos and don't forget to like and subscribe. If you're anything like me, your garden tools get a serious workout and sometimes a bit neglected. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to clean and sharpen your garden tools the right way so they last longer, work better, and stay rust-free. Let's get into it. First, dirty tools don't just look bad. They can actually spread diseases between your plants, dull faster, and even start to rust. A few extra minutes of care can save you a lot of money and hassle later. Here's what you'll need: a stiff brush or wire brush, soapy water, clean cloths or rags, rubbing alcohol or white vinegar, sandpaper or steel wool. For rust, linseed oil or WD-40 for protection. Step 1. Scrub off any dirt or mud with your brush. Don't forget to get into those crevices. Step 2. Wash the tools in warm, soapy water. A good soak can help loosen caked-on grime. Step 3. Rinse and dry them thoroughly. Step 4. Disinfect with rubbing alcohol or vinegar. This kills any bacteria or fungi that might harm your plants. Step 5. If you see rust, don't panic. Just grab your sandpaper or steel wool and gently scrub it off. Step 6. To keep tools from rusting, give them a light coating of linseed oil or spray with WD-40. Now that your tools are clean, it's important that your pruners, shears, and shovels are sharp enough for your next garden project. If you don't think sharp tools are important, think again. Sharpened tools slice clean, work safer, and last longer. Here's what you'll need: a metal file or sharpening stone, a vise or clamp. Optional but helpful: WD-40 or honing oil, rubbing alcohol or white vinegar for cleaning, gloves and eye protection. Let's start with pruners and shears. Always start with a clean blade. Use your file or sharpening stone to follow the original bevel, usually about a 20 to 30 degree angle. Move in one consistent direction, like you're shaving off tiny layers. 5 to 10 strokes usually does the trick. Wipe clean and lightly oil the blade. Tips: always wear gloves and eye protection. Sharpening tools means small metal filings. After sharpening, apply a light oil to prevent rust and store your tools in a dry place. Sharp tools are safer tools when they're clean and cared for. When your tools are clean and sharp, you are ready to get back in the garden. Please note, all mentioned products are listed below. We at Backyard University hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any other backyard questions or concerns, check out some of our other videos and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.